I want to show you an awesome feature on IXL as you continue practicing your math topics and concepts. So if you go to IXL, which you should have bookmarked, and you can pick any of the topics. Currently, we're working on rational numbers on a number line. So this would be P1. If you click on that topic, it'll show you the practice problems that you can do. But let's say as you're working on these practice problems, you're not getting them all correct, or you're not understanding exactly how to graph these rational numbers. The first thing you can do is learn with an example. If you click that button, it will show you here's the question, here's your key ideas, and here's the solutions in order to help you practice. But let's say that's not enough. The other awesome feature on IXL is watch a video. So if you click on this, it will actually play through a video on how to graph rational numbers on a number line. So you'll be able to watch the video. It will talk you through how to graph these numbers, and hopefully by the end you will be able to then do the practice problems on your own. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you are continuing to practice your concepts.